Y'all, I'm vlogging right now in the middle of the city. You know what? Dude, nobody gives a shit right now that I'm doing this. Nobody gives a shit, bruh. Okay, it took me a bit to start recording. I'm still getting used to being comfortable vlogging in public where people can see me. But I'm using Luis's tip. I got my earbuds in and maybe they think it's a small little phone. I could just say it's one of those foldable razors. But we're in Chicago right now. Headed to work. Got the Merchandise Mart, Salesforce building up there. Pretty sick. This city is amazing. And it took me a little bit to get used to commuting. I was so excited when we got to work from home almost 5 years ago now. And now I am commuting to the office about 3 days a week. So, yeah, look at this. It's beautiful, dude. Right by the river. Woo. Chicago, Chicago. I think I'm gonna go to my favorite place, not Dunkin', but there's a cool spot down here called Goddess and the Baker. See, I'm like so scared to talk normal. There's a place down here called Goddess and the Baker. It's one of my favorite spots. Their almond croissants are amazing. It's probably because they use a ton of butter. And then I get like, I don't know what I'll get today. I usually get this like Mayan latte, and it's like super spicy. I think they have like a mix of cinnamon and spices, but I still have those allergies right now too, so I'll probably drink that to open up the airways. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Goddess and the Baker, so we'll see you in there. Vietnamese cold brew. That's freaking good. So that's usually a nice little treat for myself for being like, dude, you got up and you got on the train and you got downtown. Today's been a day. I got up at 5:15. Went to the gym at 6. Took the train at about 8 o'clock. And now I'm downtown. Got my coffee. We're living the life, baby. You know, it's not so bad when you just kind of break out of the same old monotonous routine. Sometimes we get so caught up in doing the same things. I got so caught up in working at home, working from home, that I didn't realize how much I needed to like be around people and see people, and there's still life happening. Although working at home is still chef's kiss. I just feel like for the hour and stuff that I commute, it takes a lot of time out of my day. Because it's walking, train, driving, and I get motion sickness. So if I like stare at my phone in a car or on a train, not on a plane, but I start to feel queasy. All right, so we're on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Downtown Edition, Commuting Edition. If you're new here, my name is Julian. My friends and family call me Juji. The mature version is Juge. So I'm gonna show you The corn cobs, the infamous corn cobs. Don't mind the other building in the back. We don't care about that building right now. House of Blues. Y'all, I'm vlogging right now in the middle of the city. I know there's not a lot of people by me right now. It was like a rush coming off the train. And then I was like, should I use the handle and be super obvious? So I'm going rogue right now. I'm literally holding just the box part of the Osmo Action. Because it does feel like I'm on a phone. And you know what? Dude, nobody gives a shit right now that I'm doing this. As long as you're not like acting weird and like filming somebody's face. Nobody gives a shit, bruh. Alright, here we go. 9 to 5, baby. Right now, so I'm gonna see how low I can speak and still talk at the same time, but I wanted to finish a conversation we were having because I think it's important for all of us to understand that we can get over our fears if we take it little by little. We don't have to jump in the deep end. I know a lot of people like to use that expression, jumping in the deep end. Sorry, I just have to say, I love notebooks, moleskins. This brand here is Leuchtturm. It's 1917. It's like a German brand. And then I got their little pencil. It turns right here. Dude, this thing is sick. Just like feels so good in my hand. I feel smart. I feel like creative and smart when I'm like using this stuff. So yeah, if we just start little by little, we can really get over our fears. You know, nobody said we have to like do it all in one day, but I think the little that we do it is important. What's up, man? How you doing? I'm still getting over my fear here, so we will check in later. Alright, so I'm back home and had a nice little day at the office. Just finished dinner. About to air fry. It's called the Fat and Weird Cookie. And this one is called the 420 Cookie. It has peanut butter, cookie base with peanut butter core, Reese's Pieces, M&M's, Cheez-It, Lance peanut butter crackers topped with Cheez-It Pieces Mix-Ins. It's gonna be freaking fire. Oh, I love the air fryer. This one's gonna be in here for 4 minutes, 350. It's like doing my fat boy dance. Okay, so like I was saying earlier today at the office, you know, sometimes it's really scary to like put yourself out there and start recording in front of people and do something new. See, I get scared thinking she's listening to me. Okay, we're gonna stop this. We're gonna get confident. I think everybody might go through this, but the only way you get better at doing something is going through it. And you don't need permission to start. You don't need permission to use the stories you have literally lived through and gone through. So I think the best thing that you can do, like me, is just recording these nice moments. I want to look at this as a way to log all of the moments that one day I'll look back on and be like, yeah, like I remember that day, and laugh about it, as well as just reach other people. So I can't wait to try this cookie. 2 minutes left. Woo, let's go. Let's go. Oh, biscuit. Mindless bickering is a luxury. It's your little piece right there.
David, you might actually want to hear this.
What is it?
Oh, hi.
Interesting.
Are you Ray?
Yes.
You're late. Johnny Rose, my wife Moira.
Hello.
I feel like it's kind of just a peanut butter cookie.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
Sign off on this, and then we're good to go.
Look at how thick that is.
I need to confer with the financial powerhouse of the family.
Peanut butter. Ready? Here we go.
Since when did the mayor need to sign off on this?
Well, it's all right here.
It's definitely
Son of a
just a peanut butter cookie on steroids. But I love the crispiness or the flakiness of the Cheez-Its. No. So I think the air fryer definitely is the move, for sure.